Hello.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Good morning. Am I audible?
Yes, sir, you are audible.
Okay. Okay.
Hello, Dr. Arnam. How are
Yeah.
you?
Hello. I'm fine. I'm fine. I'm fine. Hello. Hello.
Yeah, what's going on? I hope that I'm hoping that the most of your candidates will be going to be join. I'm just waiting out for them.
Okay. Okay. Sure. Sure.
No, I'm just asking you whether your candidates will be going to be join or
No. No.
this
In
much
this, the
of the people only.
candidates are not going to join. This is only me
All right.
from my college, because
Yeah, absolutely.
to give information to all our students, it is going to take 1 or 2 days because of this lockdown.
Okay. All right. Beautiful.
So
So
we have
may I
to.
know the
Yeah.
yes,
Sure. Sure.
please.
Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead. Please. Please.
May I know what are the main questions you would like to be ask us about the disorganization?
Okay, actually, tell you what actually we are seeking. Uh, Actually, I am the coordinator of the career counseling and placement cell of Banwarilal Bhalotia College in Asansol. So it's one of the it's a very old college over here, and very renowned college in this region. So we are looking for placement opportunities of our students, right? And
Okay.
we are there, actually I am me with along with the principal and couple of faculties. We are trying hard to bring campusing to our to our college, as well as guide students, especially in this during this pandemic situation, because the situation outside for employment doesn't look very good. So
Absolutely. Yeah,
yeah,
I do understand.
we are trying to help them out in this aspect. So this is our actual objectives. So what happened was that our principal sir got a mail, and he forwarded it to me, and then one of my team members wrote to you regarding if you could guide students in our college towards internship opportunities in your company. That this was actually his theme, and so he wrote. And so then yesterday Sarah called, and then I told that very well, well and fine, let's go ahead.
Okay, beautiful.
Yeah.
So may I know what are the profiles your candidates will be looking for?
So actually, profile our candidates, uh, I mean, they are all freshers basically.
Yeah, absolutely. They all
They are
are
all
obviously
freshers, and
college students are the fresher.
we have students from different backgrounds. For example, we have BCA, we have students from humanities, arts, we have students from science. We don't have engineering students, but we have
Okay,
BCA,
beautiful.
BBA,
Yeah.
BCA, BBA. We have all the arts faculties, we have all the science faculties, and we have the commerce also faculties. So we have even postgraduate students in the field of biology, physics, and Hindi. We have postgraduate departments
Okay,
in zoology,
beautiful.
physics, and in Hindi. In these subjects, we have, and the rest are all undergraduate courses. So they are just, so you can say, assume just BSc. They are most of them right now. The sixth semester, they are now studying. They are looking for opportunities. So this is and each, for example, each class approximately has got 50 students on an average. Say each semester. So per department, you can expect for 3 years 150 students. So this is actually the, and we have 24 departments in our college. Hello.
Yeah, yeah, Mr. Arnam.
Okay.
So
Okay.
what? So my concern is all about that. Your candidates might be doing the good, right?
Yeah.
So, so I just would like to be suggestive that in our organization, what we will do that
Yeah.
we don't want to be take the any art students. You know, well, how
Okay.
much we have to be put the effort behind the work and all. So
Okay. Okay.
comparing the thinking about the all the future careers of the students, what
Okay.
we would like to be do here, we would like to be take the only the passionate candidates.
Yeah.
You may
Sure.
know because most of the people are they didn't aware about that what is the industry is all about, what
Yeah.
they will do
Exactly.
at the industry
Exactly.
and
Exactly.
but most of the candidates they are in the some misconception because of that what they will think that industry is all about that. It's
Yeah.
like an institution,
Yeah,
but we are not an
exactly.
institution. Yep.
Exactly. That these are certain factors. I mean, therefore, we were calling you for a talk, inviting you, requesting you for a talk. I mean, all these things need to be made aware to those candidates because they are
Absolutely.
a good bunch of students. I mean, the best students in this region they come to our college. Uh,
Actually, yesterday what happened?
yeah,
I just would like to be take you the yesterday's incident only.
yeah.
One of the girl XYZ name, I don't want to be take her name, but
Uh,
unfortunately, what she did, she has done the lot of the mistakes in her system. I mean to be say that the her system got the crash. Unfortunately, by installing the lot of the application.
right.
So she started to be blaming that, sir, because of you, my system is crashed. I really wonder that if you don't know anything, how to do the thing, then how do you can place us in the responsibility, right?
So these are very isolated bad incidents which happen. Among students also we also have some things. For example, we have a knack we have to do. There's an evaluation which the government does on colleges, what their performance is. We do a national accreditation. For that we need, for example, if certain candidate of our college gets employed in your organization, for example, say it is a request to these candidates that they just give us a photo of the offer letters. So that we can say that from our college's efforts, so many candidates have got placed in so and so industries. So you can see that in even our this particular girl, she was my student in my department itself, and simply flatly told that I will not send you any photograph. She got employed in a company, and then she told flatly that, well, I will not send you an offer letter because my parents have told me not to send. Well, that's very
Yeah,
insulting.
yeah, true.
It's very insulting. What happens if you send a photo for offer letter? Nothing happens. You're sending it to your college. So this is these bad incidents happen. We have to live with it actually. Whenever I take a class, also, I find that out of there are one or two bad incidents, they try to disturb the class, and these incidents they do occur. This we cannot avoid. There are different types of fishes in the sea, so all fishes are not the same. And
Absolutely.
and the bad thing is that one dirty fish it pollutes the whole thing.
No, no, no. We are having the precautions for the dirty fishes. It's not
Yeah,
like that the fish will be going to be spoil the entire pond.
yeah,
We
that's
are
true. That's
taking
true.
out the things. But coming back to the R words, what we will do that we can evaluate we have the some three rounds of the thing.
Yeah, yeah,
First we will evaluate the candidate's potential. Later on we will check out the what is their first round, then second round, then we will evaluate.
yeah. Sure.
So basically, how many candidates are going to be on board?
Um, this is difficult, but actually, you are like I understood that you are
Sir,
looking
I
at.
would like to be add. Sorry to interrupt. I would like to be add you a point over here.
Yeah.
We are looking for the value creation. No matter that whether you are holding the double degree, also we don't care. We just
Okay.
only care that how much value you are contributing to the organization,
Hmm.
how much you are learning. Those who
Okay.
are candidates already, well, resumed from the our organization, they got the more than the 7 lakh, 10 lakh CTC.
Okay.
We have a
Okay.
lot of instances.
Mm-hmm.
So one is placed in the TCS, one is placed in the Byju's, one is placed in the XYZ big organization.
Right. Right. Uh, so all these things. So I would just if you could explain. So how many students could be there? You were asking. So if you
Sir, we will train up to the 1,000 candidates. It's not
no,
about the big deal
it won't
because
be
we
about
made the
1,000. I would anticipate since we are dealing first time. I would anticipate something around 50 to 100. That's a large number because
absolutely,
that's a large number in the sense uh, because in the first this may increase later on. Uh, if you
absolutely,
and I think
absolutely.
you are
Sir,
looking for science students and commerce students, right?
sir, what we will do, I will let you know.
Okay,
Sir,
okay.
if you don't mind, can I use the Hindi?
Ah, sure, sure, definitely.
सर होता क्या है ना, हम घोड़े को पानी पिलाना चाहते हैं जो घोड़ा चलना चाहता है।
अच्छा,
जो घोड़ा रुकना चाहता है ना तो उनको कॉलेज सुधर पाएगा ना तो ऑर्गेनाइजेशन सुधर पाएगा।
ठीक है।
हम उस घोड़े को नहीं देख रहे कि क्योंकि हमें भी ग्रोथ होना है और कैंडिडेट्स की भी ग्रोथ होनी है। जो भी अपने ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में काम करते हैं We doesn't matter that whether it's a Hindi or English, whether it's a native language or not. We
Okay.
will definitely check out with their logic. What logic they are implementing. You know, well, how to prepare the food, they can prepare anywhere.
Mm-hmm.
If they are spoon feed it, then don't you think that whether they are going to the even the Amazon also they are not work.
Right. True. 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 True.
This is the main value we are behind that the ethics value and meanwhile how to respect each other. No
Hmm.
matter that whether it is the bottom level employee or whether
Mm-hmm.
it is the senior HRM, they
Right.
know how to respect each one because
Definitely.
most of the candidates come from the upper middle class and somewhere they will come and they started to be arguing.
No,
We
most
will
of them
kick them
here
out.
they are not the upper middle class. Actually, very few are 5 or 6% you will find upper middle class. They are not of the. They are of the rather the lower middle class category in this region. This is actually not a major city. If it was Calcutta, then you might have expected it. But it's Asansol, so you would expect a family. Say maybe their income is 2 lakhs a year or something, 2 to 6 lakhs a year. It's not
Absolutely. Okay.
not a very rich to do. So
Because I had seen that the people, their parents will be so pampered, and you know, well,
they
they
are
are started
pampered.
to
That
be
doesn't mean
feeling.
that they are not pampered. You'll find pampered
Yes.
people. You'll
No, it's
find
not
pampered.
about the pampering. In terms of the money value and in terms of the ethics, they don't know anything because
Yeah,
they
yeah.
even don't understand what is the value of the 1 rupee. If I
Yes,
start to be
yes.
telling that what is the value of 1 rupee, they will tell that no, sir, we will spend like that. But how do you earn?
Exactly.
Question mark, whatever the question mark we will put, they are unable to be answered.
Right, right.
Then this becomes a very big hurdle to be their challenging life. They will
Mm-hmm.
think that organization is so complicated. I don't want to be live here because they would like to be in a comfort zone. But whoever in the or organization they are ready to be picky. I would like to be share with you a few of the screenshot. They
Mm-hmm.
are even the at the midnight 11:30, 12 o'clock. They have worked with us.
All right.
So that made with us to be well happening to be that will be grateful thing to be taking over the things. Like I would like to be share with you few of the screens, sir. One of the brilliant candidates are there.
Okay.
Sir, are you seeing my screen?
Yes, I'm seeing it.
Sir, see the above timing 11:56. See even girls 11:56.
Yeah.
Two others. We would like to be work at the midnight also if the candidates will be wishing out. See
Okay.
12 o'clock.
Mm-hmm.
So likewise, candidates, those who are wishing to be learn the things, then we would like to be share them the some valuable feedback. Those who are willing to be learn. If they are not interested, then we can't force them even. So
Right.
I would like to give you one suggestion. One person from the graphic designing, he is a karate master.
Mm-hmm.
He told me that sir, for designing these karate graphics and all, I have paid up to now the more than the 26,000. Sir, can I
Right.
get a help from you? I told him that, buddy, you can do one thing. He is a senior. I told
Mm-hmm.
him that just join for the 2 months of the internship, then you can see the value.
Mm-hmm.
Initial level, he just joined as nothing. At the final level, he got outcomed as the professional within the duration of 2 months.
Right.
We will utilize their 4 hours of the actual time. We will assign them the work. We never do the spoon feeding. And if they are misbehaving, we will kick them out and we will threaten them that you are not going to be bother in your life. No matter that whether your dad will come, no matter whether your college dean will come. We don't care.
Okay.
Because if he is not responsible for his valuable life, then who is going to be take his responsibility?
That's true. That's true.
How much time the college will feed? How much time the parents will pamper them?
Mm-hmm.
So whole life nobody will be give a nobody will come with him, right?
Sure, sure, sure. That's
Alone struggle is so most important. That's why we would like to be tell them that you have to be prepare your food own. What are the ingredients you have to be input? We will provide you,
and so
but
that
we
will be
never
done in
make a
this
prepare for you.
internship. That will be done in this internship.
That is only done in the internship.
Right, 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 right.
That is
Understand.
only done in internship, and we never going to be teach from the scratch. We never going to be teach to the already experienced. Most of the people, product designing people, they had come, they have
Mm-hmm.
spent more than the 12 to 14 lakh behind the product design, but they
Mm-hmm.
even don't know the fundamentals of the designing. They
That's true.
even don't know the fundamentals of the HR thing.
Mm-hmm.
When they are polished from here, they are really helpful. I will tell them, sir, very strictly. So, guys, if you are misbehaving, I am not going to be take the meeting today. Then they will start to be requesting me. It's
Right.
all about the gaining the experience.
Mm-hmm.
सर देखिए, एक्सपीरियंस ना उनको चाहिए होता है, हमें नहीं। तो हम किसके लिए कर रहे हैं? कॉलेजेस में हम उनके लिए बताते हैं, उनका एज क्राइटेरिया नहीं होता है। पर यहाँ पे ना उनको मैच्योरिटी आ जाती है पहले। फर्स्ट थिंग व्हाट वी विल डू दैट वी विल मेक श्योर देम दैट व्हाट इज द वैल्यू दे आर गोइंग टू बी गेन। सेकंड थिंग
Okay.
इज ऑल अबाउट, second thing, what is the importance of that? What's your goal? What's your next year 3 years planning? How you would like to be do?
Okay.
After that 3 year planning we can split into the bite by bite, day by day.
Mm-hmm.
So buddy, if you would like to be reach this destination, you have to work today, unless
Okay.
you will be out of the organization. We
Mm-hmm.
least bother about the organization, because we have the reputation, because this is the India's first photography aggregator platform,
You're right.
and we are reputed in the, I will come among the more than the, reputed 200 CEOs. I'm a marketing guy, always wants to be the reality of the people.
Okay. Okay.
I will
So.
make them sure that this is the reality. I will give them the task in such a way that
Mm-hmm.
which will be relate with the real life. We will directly tell them that first do a random call.
Mm-hmm.
You will get to know about that how the people will respond to you.
Okay.
Right after that, where you have lag.
Mm-hmm.
Right after that, what we will provide that, make a note of it, make a PPT of it.
Mm-hmm.
Then you can evaluate what is the difference between these all the things. We
Okay.
will fill the gap between their communication.
Mm-hmm.
Now you can tell me, sir, which organization will do like this way? Sir, we are not looking for the current situation. We are looking for the further thing. After
Further
the two
ahead.
years, three
Okay.
years, when they are graduated, when they are doing a job at somewhere, when they get to know about that our organization will be providing a job to them, they will
Mm-hmm.
get back to us, because they know what kind of the value they got.
Mm-hmm.
People are not hunger for the money. The people are hunger for the knowledge and the value.
Mm-hmm.
Because now that nowadays trend will be completely changed. सर आपको भी पता है कि जिस जगह पे प्लेसमेंट हो रहे हैं, आपको भी पता है कि अभी के करंट स्टूडेंट कोई प्लेसमेंट के पीछे भाग नहीं रहा है। उनको भी पता लग चुका है कि अगर अपने पास स्किल रहेंगे, अपने
हम्म।
आप को जॉब मिल जाएगा।
तो
पर वैल्यू कहाँ से ढूंढेंगे?
हाँ, मतलब what are the steps we should be for by which we go ahead, so you
Yeah.
will
For that reason, Ajbam, our senior, our HRMs, Ajbam and the Sara is there. They will explain you, sir.
okay, okay, okay,
Ajbam, I'm handing over to you.
okay,
Thank you,
okay,
Ajbam.
okay, okay.
Thank you, sir.
Sure, sure, sure.
So, good morning, sir.
Good morning, good morning.
Good morning, sir. So, first of all, I want to welcome you in our company for the invitation, and
Mm-hmm.
thank you for accepting the invitation for the meeting.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. So, I just want to share my screen for and show the PPT
Okay,
so
sure,
that I
sure.
can explain you well about the
Okay,
internship and about the roles and responsibilities we having of different profiles.
okay, okay, okay.
Till he can join, till he can
Yeah,
share the
sure,
screen,
sure.
I would like to be add you the few points, sir. We are having the from bottom level to level 1 to level 4 in the TLs, managers, every position we are allocating.
Okay, okay,
It
okay,
means based upon the capability, based upon their career, every step will be having a certain criteria. Yeah,
okay.
Ajman, please go ahead. Sorry to interrupt.
Thank you, sir. So, sir, first of all, I want to tell you regarding the company Photoshoto.
Yeah.
So, Photoshoto is registered under the company's name Bouquet Photogenic Private Limited Company,
Mm-hmm.
based out Bangalore. Bouquet is a SaaS tech startup for the photography. It
Okay.
is an aggregate platform for all the photography needs used under a single shelter, which includes all the kind of
Mm-hmm.
photographers, categories, and allied business like editing, designing, and printing, etc. Photoshoto is all that you wanted, a little piece of industry, but more about business. Photoshoto is a registered under the company's name, Bouquet Photogenic Private Limited Company, as said. So all photographers are required one safe house. So it is the platform for those. So
Nowadays, sorry to interrupt, sir.
Yeah,
yeah, yes.
Nowadays, you might be seeing the Oyo, Ola, Zomato.
yeah.
So up to the 2025, we are at the place of the Oyo, Ola, like that way.
Okay, okay.
Okay. So we have different profiles open with us. That is finance, content writing, HR generalist, UI UX developer, video editor, digital marketer, graphic designer, market research analysis, and business development training.
Trainee. Okay.
So, first of all, I just want to tell you regarding the roles and responsibilities of finance. The intern of the finance will assist with financial modeling, assist with daily treasury operations, provide general accounting support, help with receivable management, provide the support for annual budgeting process, assist with statistical analysis and other special projects, prepare monthly, quarterly, yearly financial analysis, packets from management schedule. And sir, I just want to tell that this is the first internship on every platform for providing a finance internship. This is a first company to providing finance internship.
Okay.
So this is the basic which I want to show, which I want to share. Secondly, it is content writing. Content writers are actually like just writing blogs for the company and always stay updated regarding with the current market news. They also write for the current pages content, and they also work on copywriting.
Okay.
Again, the third one is HR generalist. Like the HR generalists are creating internship drives in the college campuses using online medium to enroll candidates, screen resumes and application forms, schedule and confirm interviews with candidates, post update internship ads from intern board career pages on social networking sites, prepare HR related reports as needed, and participate in organizing company events in careers.
Right.
Yes, sir. And the next one is UX UI developer. So basically, what UX developer work is to establish and guiding the website architecture, designing web pages on Photoshop and Adobe Illustrator, and convert them into pixel perfect. Designing and implementing front-end business application while working closely with developers, designing new features and functionality, helping formulate an effective responsive design, and turning it into a working theme and plugin.
Okay.
Yeah. And this next one is video editor, creating and editing interesting and engaging videos, working on short advertisement for social media, working closely with the team on new concept video and infographics,
Okay.
discovering and implementing new editing technologies, creating editing short form videos on the daily basis, and creating YouTube for our own brand.
Mm-hmm.
The next is digital marketer. What basically he do is developing and managing digital marketing campaign, overseeing a social medical strategy, writing and optimizing content for the website and social networking accounts such as Facebook, LinkedIn, Pinterest, Instagram, Quora, etc. Tracking and analyzing website flow and providing regular internal reports and working on research engine optimization of the website.
Okay.
The next is graphic designer. Graphic designer is working on storyboarding of the videos, handling basic lighting, rendering with files, and working on the post production of the frames, managing modeling and texturing, and coordinating with the seniors and understanding the script requirement. And basically, sir, the CEOs are also knows something like more than everything in graphic designer. So he always guide the graphic designer interns with the new ideas, and that's the best part of graphic designer internship.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sorry to Ajmal.
Yes, sir.
Actually, sir, I would like to add you a point over here.
Mm-hmm.
Myself, this is my third startup. I'm a young entrepreneur and the visionary leader from India's most leading 200 CEOs. It will comes in that series. And moreover, I'm into the photography since the last 12 years.
Okay.
So I know the completely full-fledged pro professional level of the graphic designing team as well as color correction, video editing. I have worked for the few of the films as a video editor. So that's why these technical terms will be completely done. And meanwhile, I'm a self-learned coder too.
Okay.
So that's why it doesn't matter me to be what is their level and how they will work, what is the industry value work,
The interest is very
everything.
important. Actually, I'm also a
Absolutely.
self-learned coder. Also, I'm from
Oh,
biology, but I'm
congratulations, sir.
learning all Python, R, and all these things. Self-learned
Beautiful,
coding.
sir.
Yeah,
Beautiful.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay,
That I
Ajman,
can
please go ahead.
understand. I
Okay,
could,
okay.
I
Thank
got
you,
it
sir.
actually. Yeah.
Okay, so sir, the next profile is market research analyst,
Mm.
and the basically market research analyst in turn is to like make cold callings, collecting data on consumer, competitors, and marketplace, and consolidating information and actionable items, reports, and presentations,
Mm.
understanding business objectives, and designing survey to discovery prospective consumers' preference and ability to cope up with fast-paced and pressure work because we have a lot of work under this intern under this profile.
Okay.
And the the last one is business development trainee. Here, he also has to conduct 30 to 40, around 25 to 30 cold callings daily to prospectors, conducting research information by speaking to client and staff, following up with prospectors and sending email for services, nurturing them you're giving pledges and building long-term relationship with the prospectors and reporting daily and weekly target met to the management and leveraging feedback and continuously improvement.
Hmm. Hmm.
And after complete after with these profiles we are having different certificates providing to the students. So we have like certificate of completion, certificate of recognition, letter of recognition, certificate of appreciation, promotional certificates, intern of the week certificate, and certificate of loyalty. The criteria of these certificates are like we also have an attendance certificates also, and there are many minor certificates as these are major certificates. We have also few minor certificates also, and if a candidate will come up with every single certificate while getting any promotion certificate also and getting the appreciation certificate also, he will get at the end of the internship he will also receive the certificate of loyalty.
Hmm.
And after getting the certificate of loyalty, he will get a chance to talk to the CEO of the company, Mr. Sidhya sir, for 45 minutes about his career, about his like he will guide him regarding all the things it will be the chance for him only to getting 45 minutes to talk with Sidhya sir on phone call
Hmm.
regarding his career, what he want to do in the future about his career.
Okay.
Yeah, so this is basically what the criteria we have made for the certificate for loyalty, and this will be like we'll provide them after getting all the certificates, which we are providing, like certificate of completion, recognition, letter of recognition, certificate of appreciation, promotional certificates.
Hmm.
In promotion certificates, we are also providing as I was appointed as a HR generalist in this company, but as I have learned a lot from Sidhya sir, and with my performance as day by day increasing, so I was appointed as a team leader and then appointed as a HRM, human resource manager of the company. So basically, I have getting the promotion from of in this internship. So I had a very good like opportunity in this company to showcase my skills. So where I got many opportunities to do so and getting promotion certificates, and after at the end of the internship I will try my best to get the certificate of loyalty to talk to
That
sir.
is in photo shooter, right?
Yeah, that is in Photoshop only.
Right. Right. Right.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Good.
So
Good.
thank you. That's it from my side.
Okay, so I see
Okay.
that you have basically absorbed candidates from the field of management, then from BCA computer science, then technical computer sciences, and science fields basically, which I see you need candidates from these departments actually, whatever
Yes, sir,
it is.
exactly. And yeah, from business development trainee, we want business development trainee,
So
HR
BBA, we
generalist.
have got BBA
Yeah,
department, we have got
BBA
BCA.
department. Yes, sir. And the students who are currently pursuing for PGDM or MBA are also welcome in this company
We don't have
because they have.
MBA, but or
Okay,
PGDM. We have got BBA, which is of course
okay.
it is university certified, actually recognized university
Yeah, yeah,
certified.
yeah.
So
Okay,
we have got BBA, we have got BCA, we have got BSc computer sciences students,
okay.
and we have got all the science fields like from biology, chemistry, physics, maths, statistics. We have got students in these areas, and we have commerce students also.
Okay.
Wonderful,
So
sir. Sir Ajmam, sorry to interrupt.
yes, sir.
Once once the call will be end, you can share that PPT with the sir too.
Yeah, yeah,
So
yeah.
he can just go analyze and they can check out that what are the candidates will be suitable for us. Right. So one more thing, sir, I would like to add you here. The
Mm.
value added point is most of we will thinking about that student's career life because this is the beginning stage of the any student.
Yeah.
During this time, if they got misguided by the some of the person or college, anything else, ultimately student life will be going to be end. I mean to be said that they will be stuck in the some salary of the 20 to
Yeah,
40,000 salary.
actually, it will be a setback in their setback.
Absolutely, sir. What we are focusing about that we are targeting the minimum 40,000 of their salary once they will get out of from the our internship. So that's our main goal. According to the our vision only, we are training them. We are not
Hmm.
thinking about to be candidates should be only be look for the few kind of the values, and most of the companies will do the same
Sir,
stuff.
what is your
And
name
meanwhile,
actually? We have been talking. I don't know your name.
okay, myself Siddhaya, I'm the founder and CEO of this
Okay, okay, yes,
organization.
Sidhya. Okay, okay, okay. Yes,
Because in the every important meetings I would like to be participate, I would like to interact with the people. The reason is that they shouldn't be feel awkward with the our candidates, so they are something else, we believe on the our candidates, but still they need this some kind of the reputation from the our organization. From
yeah.
the bottom level to the top level we would like to be managed the equally. That's our
Okay, okay,
consideration.
okay, okay, okay. I understand. I get it. I get it.
So what do you feel about the our organization, sir? Can we get the any feedback from you?
Oh well, so far I've got a I'm getting a very positive vibes from your side actually. That it could be a good thing. Okay, just one question which many students ask. I mean,
Yes, sir, please.
these are the question. It is that what is the how much money they will have to be paying and all these stuff.
Absolutely free, sir.
Absolutely. Yeah.
We are not asking them to be pay any single thing,
Okay.
but
Okay.
at least 500 rupees they have to be deposit at the initial stage of
Okay.
the
Okay.
thing. The reason is that if they are leaving the organization in between the, because होता क्या है ना सर, आपको don't mind, बहुत
Yeah.
सारे candidates
छोड़ देता है
500
बेटर
rupees.
अपॉर्चुनिटी मिलने से लॉयलिटी वाला वो तो नहीं मिलता है उसको.
सर लॉयल्टी की बात नहीं है, उनको ये भी पता नहीं होता है कि सर एवरीवन विल बी एक्सपेक्टिंग द सडन इंस्टेंट,
हाँ.
सडन ग्रेटिफिकेशन. व्हाट दे विल बी लुक फॉर सडन इन द सेंस, फर्स्ट डे ज्वाइन हो गए, अपना एचआर पूरा एफर्ट डाल के उनके लेवल 1 लेवल 2 से पूरा रिपोर्ट लेके उनका डॉक्यूमेंट्स ऑनबोर्ड करने के बाद कैंडिडेट्स के पास तो ज्यादा नहीं होता है, अपने पास पूरा रिपोर्ट मिलता है कि कौन से कैंडिडेट ऑनबोर्ड हो रहा है, किस कॉलेज से हो रहा है, कोऑर्डिनेटर का नंबर उनको मेल करना होता है, ये कैंडिडेट ऑनबोर्ड हो चुका है, इसका कैपेबिलिटीज क्या है, एवरीथिंग वी विल चेक आउट.
हम्म.
Right after the second day they will think that no sir I am not interested. Reason I don't know sir. What he will do?
हम्म. I
So this is a
understand.
major problem, sir. This is a major problem from the all the organization. We never force the candidates to be do the thing. First thing is that if you are interested about your life, then
Hmm.
only you can come. Once you
Okay.
will be joined, at least stay for the 2 months to get the complete value. Well,
Exactly.
sir, few of the candidates with us, they are their tenure will be completed in the month of the April and the March. They are still associated with us. They will think that, sir, we are doing the work for the another company. We would like to be serve you. The
Okay.
reason we will get the more value and working with you.
And after getting this certificates, they have got a better chance of getting into your organization.
Sir, I would like to be tell you that if they are not getting the job, we would like to evaluate within 15 days. They will be placed.
Okay.
This is
Okay.
our responsibility. In the sense, we are not promising you. It's not the mandatory. No company will do that. But
Hmm.
I mean to be say that in terms of the value,
Okay.
it
Okay.
means where they have lagged. That is a major important.
Yes, that's important. Where they need to develop also. Uh,
Absolutely, sir.
mm. So this is so they have got a good chance after they do this internship that they get absorbed by you.
Yeah, absolutely. They will definitely get be placed. The reason what we will do that we are not only the career counselors. We will we will be start from the scratch. We will
Yeah,
end
of
up with
course
the
you will
by
be
getting their jobs.
you will select and screen them before. Definitely, you told that you have 3 rounds, right?
Absolutely, sir. 3 rounds.
If could you tell me about your selection procedure? I mean, if you don't mind, actually.
Absolutely, sir. Starting from the their communication skill
Hmm.
and Ajman, please continue. Sarah.
Yes, Asha. Thank you so much. So, sir, the selection process for us are to first of all, they will face a first round interview where
Okay.
we will be asking them regarding their basic questions,
Mm-hmm.
and after like selecting in first round interview, we will like send them the schedule mail for the second round interview,
Mm.
and second round interview will be conduct on the next day or day after next day.
Mm.
So after getting the second round interview call,
Mm.
that would be like the main questions regarding the profile. If he has chosen for the finance, so we will ask him to the basic questions of finance also. If
Mm.
he don't know the basic question, then he will be directly rejected. And if he knows every single answers, and like he have a proper vision regarding what we are seeing, what we are like required in our organization, then we
Mm.
will directly select the candidate.
Okay.
And yeah, after that we will like send the document requirement mail. We will provide them the offer letter. Like the second round interview was the like the like the last point
Okay.
where we
Okay.
were planning it. Yeah.
Okay, I understand. I get it. So that's very fair enough. That's very nice way of considering them. First, you must definitely check out if the candidates belong to the proper quality or not. That's very good.
Absolutely, sir. Quality checking will be done before only. The reason is that instead of putting a effort on the wrong person is better than that putting a effort in the low level, scratch level people. We would like to be evaluated the 3 points in the candidate.
Yeah, I'm
I
getting
go,
a very good feedback. I mean, my impression is very positive about your organization. It's becoming very positive right now, actually.
thank you so much, sir. Yeah,
Yeah,
sir,
and
I would like to add you the 3 points
I
here.
would like to. We would actually, on the behalf of the college only, I'm saying, since I'm the coordinator, the principal has given me a full go ahead.
Okay, thank you.
Whatever. So I'm willing to go ahead. Actually, I'm looking forward to go ahead with our collaboration, so called. And how do we proceed next? So,
Sir,
could you give
it's
a
a quite
talk to our? Can I request you people to give a talk to our students on one day a
no, no,
virtual
no,
meet?
no, no, sir. It's not all about the talking to student. What we will do that we will prepare a one PPT for them for the candidates what they are going to be get in duration of the 2 months. First thing. Second thing is all about that what's their career choice will be there in the upcoming days because they should be find a real value in the organization. See, the reason is that wherever we will implement the things, what we will do that organization goal and their goal should be matched. In that sense, we never put the people into the operational part. Instead of that, we will put into them which they are not knowing the things. I mean
No,
to be say
actually,
that the logical things.
my thing was that if you could, like you have advised me, if you could, I mean, make the students aware on.
Absolutely, sir, we will do, but the reason I will tell you, sir. First thing is that they even don't know that what's their goal is all about, what they would like to do.
That's true.
Most of
That's
the
true. That's true. That's true.
80% of the candidates are they are stuck behind that what they would like to do in the future. Few of the candidates come from the B electrical and they will say that sir I will do the
मुझे
digital
नौकरी
marketing.
चाहिए
So
बस कहीं पे कुछ भी मिल जाए मुझे बस नौकरी करना है आई
सर
नो दिस
नौकरी
एटीट्यूड
करना ही है तो आप डिग्री क्यों किए हैं? नौकरी
एग्जैक्टली आई
करना
मीन
ही है तो डिग्री क्यों करना
yeah
है? पैसे कमाने
this
के
is
लिए
a
बहुत
this is a
सारे
very
रास्ते भी है ना.
prevalent attitude. I understand, this is a very prevalent.
Absolutely. If you are a professional, behave like a professional, get a job like a professional. If you are crossing beyond the limit, then you are the dumb. We are not going to entertain you anymore. But
Hmm.
we will tell you that you are the professional. You have to be take the minimum 40 to 50,000 salary. The reason is that we are keep modifying the things day by day without their knowledge. We are bringing the policies. Then we are telling that this is a strict policy. You have to follow. If
Hmm.
somebody will be coming a meeting by the 1 minute of the late, we will be kick them out. We will tell them that you don't have the time sense. If you're not
Definitely.
serious about the life, we are not caring about your life because you are the one creator of your life.
Own destiny, that's true.
Absolutely. These are the main basic fundamentals we are making sure them at least they can have the ethics and the value in terms of their
Yes,
life.
you have to
They know
respect
how to
somebody else's time. That's very important. That
and
especially in our academics, we see a meeting is supposed to start at 12. The head of the meeting comes at 12:30, and everybody is waiting and chatting. And I mean, this is terrible. Yesterday, it went on till 9:30. The meeting was supposed to start at 4. That person comes at 6, and we
sir
were all
it's not
chatting for 2 hours. This is not good.
I do understand, sir, but actually what we will do that we will manage the three things. One is the
Hmm.
time, accuracy, and the speed. First thing is that first we will tell them that the first 15 days how to manage the time. Second
Hmm.
thing is that accuracy. Along
Okay.
with that, you have to increase your efficiency or the speed. In the
Hmm.
sense, totally 3 points will be concluded: time, speed, and the accuracy. Then the no person will be, well, behalf of the photo shoot. I am telling you that up to now nobody has claimed us that you are the wrong. Nobody has come to us, and placement officers I will talk on daily basis.
Hmm.
Nobody has told us that our candidate gone misguided or nothing else. No bad impression. Even we are able to be manage the out of the 1,500 candidate, hardly the one from the each department, 5 to 6 candidates will be left because of their emergency. Apart from that, we have maintained the 96% of the accuracy.
Right.
Now
Right.
you can tell me, sir, what is the quality? Because अगर हम मार्केट में जा रहे हैं कल के दिन कोई भी हमें पॉइंट नहीं करनी है कि सर 96% is maintaining is not that much thing.
Hmm.
Every day, four to five people will used to be spending minimum 12 to 13 hours for the internship,
Okay.
including me. See,
Okay.
that much of the जो हम सोचते हैं ना सर, क्वालिटी देखने में और उसको गेन करने में बहुत सारा डिफरेंस है.
Difference है.
Because it will be include the lot of the effort, lot of the learning skill everyday basis will train them in such a way that they never learned in the 3 years of their career.
Right.
I'm giving you an, if you wish, I will give you the few of the introduction of the candidate. They will tell that how much they have spent and how much they have learned over here at the free
No,
of
I
cost.
take your word. That is definitely. I take your word.
Absolutely, sir.
I'll take your word. Now, my question is now, how do we proceed next?
Okay, we have the some specific things, sir. What you have to be do that. If you wish, based upon your valuable words, what I would like to be suggest to you,
Yeah.
our HRMs and the our senior HRM would like to be take their interviews. They would like to be evaluated at the initial stage. They would like to be take the minimum 1.5 hour meeting, so they can split the candidates into the 25 batch. They would like to be take their interviews. What they are, even if you wish, I also include in that meeting. I would like to be take their things. You will be on the meeting also. Within 45 minutes, each batch meeting will be finished out, and you will get to know about that what is their caliber. And right after the our internship, you can check out the same evaluation by doing with them. You can check out the what is the quality they will got, because this is so mandatory, sir. Because once it will be done, then our relation will be bonded for the many years. That's
Yeah.
our wish.
Yeah. Yeah. So, will you be giving a small talk to our students?
Absolutely, sir. We would like to be evaluate your candidates, what's their potential, how they are going to be evaluated, and where they are missing out. We would like to
Because
be give a report first.
okay, well, what I'm suggesting, what I can do is, I mean, I need to inform the students, right? I need to.
Absolutely, sir. That should be done.
So, could be on what date? What would be a convenient time? I mean, if you could give me a link when you will be talking with our students, or you will be informing your students about what you wish and desire. Uh, uh, what
What we would like to be do here, sir, in the professional manner, we would like to be share you the link through the our official mail ID to you, which will be it will be shared among the student, and the accurate time should be maintained. Within the duration of that time, we are going to be come up with the PPT. We would like to be evaluate the candidates first. Then after that, we will mark them that we will give a report to you only. So based upon that, you can check out that whether they are interested or not.
okay.
Because sir, अगर हम अपना टाइम इन्वेस्ट कर रहे हैं, वी वुड लाइक टू बी सीक इनटू द वैल्यू. वी नेवर बॉदर अबाउट द, मतलब टाइम कितना इन्वेस्ट कर रहे हैं हम ये नहीं सोचते, पर राइट कैंडिडेट मिला ना सर, अपना टाइम पूरा देने के लिए रेडी है. इवन सर, आई हेल्प द फ्यू ऑफ द कैंडिडेट्स अप टू द 5 to 10,000 as a cash, because to be enhance their improvements in terms of the getting the some kind of the softwares, or because they are the poor, we know, because they are the poor, but they are the keen desire to be learn the things.
Hmm.
Those people are the so interested about the things that how we can do, and they become the loyal too.
Yes, this I understand. This I get. Uh,
So is it possible to be make by the tomorrow 11 o'clock, sir?
Tomorrow 11 o'clock. Actually, I will not be able to distribute the information because I have to make up.
Okay,
If you could give me 2 3 days, if
sir, I would like to be split into the things. It's not about the taking the whole meeting at the one. It's all about that. Make the 25, 25 candidates batch. I mean to be say that you can BBA. Let's suppose that they are going to be join the MRA or the BDT because which is relevant to their field, right?
So you wish
Those
to
who are
talk with
willing,
BBA candidates tomorrow?
yeah. Likewise, we can divide within the one week. We are going to be complete the whole college. It means it would be very easy to be evaluated the candidate and onboarding also becomes the very easy.
Okay, okay. So you directly you would like to evaluate the candidates before giving us presentation or something. I understand.
एब्सोल्युटली सर मैं आपको एक छोटा सा एग्जांपल देना चाहता हूँ डोंट
नहीं
माइंड
मैं
आई एम
एक्चुअली
टेकिंग यू
यही
वन
यही
मिनट
नहीं नहीं मैं मुझे एक्चुअली समझ में नहीं आ रहा था कि आप मतलब सीधा ही कैंडिडेट के साथ बात करना चाह रहे हैं कि मतलब डायरेक्ट इवैल्यूएशन पे जाना चाह रहे हैं पहले
नहीं
मैं
नहीं
सोचा
नहीं
कि
सर
आप लोग
पहले ना
होल कॉलेज के सब स्टूडेंट्स को अपना कंपनी के बारे में एंड व्हाट आर द थिंग्स
सर नो
मैं
सर
वही
दैट
सोच
इज
रहा था
एब्सोल्युटली रॉन्ग दैट इज
हाँ
एब्सोल्युटली रॉन्ग फर्स्ट वी हैव टू बी
नहीं
टेक
मैं
देयर द
वैसे सोच
करियर
रहा था
काउंसलिंग
उसीलिए मैं थोड़ा सा कंफ्यूज था अदर नहीं तो
no
बात
no
ही
no
चल
sir
जाएगा
what we will do that we will whole mountain we can't take it at one
ओके
shot
ओके
we
सो
will split
एक काम
into
करते हैं
part
कि
by part
बीबीए कैंडिडेट्स को आप कल बात कीजिए फिर नेक्स्ट डे
जी सर
मैं बीबीए के टीचर लोगों को बता दूंगा कि आप इन 11 बजे लिंक भेज दीजिएगा थोड़ा सा तब
absolutely sir
हाँ इफ यू कैन सेंड मी द लिंक देन आई विल टेल बीबीए टीचर्स to contact the students so you are going to go for the final year students right
yeah sir absolutely
so
final year
sixth
students
semester the
are the
sixth semester final year students okay
sixth or the fifth also be fine sir it's not all about that the candidates sir
the
आप
fifth
ऐसे
one we
बोल
will
सकते
not
हैं
get
कि
the fifth right now. Now we are the 6 semesters going on.
okay no sir what I meant to be say that the fourth or the
Oh,
sixth
fourth.
semester
Okay.
sir few people I had seen that they are at the age of the 16 or the 17 they are would
Okay.
like to be learn the most of the valuable thing
So
age is just a number
you
you
are
might be
laying
heard
more emphasis on getting a valuable candidate than
absolutely
you can wait even for 1 year for them to pass. But that
it's not
person
about the
should.
passing the sir what we are doing here I will let you know because the most of the middle class families are there what we are teaching them that how to earn the side businesses how to make the money sidely without depending on the someone else first thing second thing is all about that how to make it in the professional way and the third thing is that once they will get to know about that setting up their own side hustle they definitely become a capable to be get the any kind of the job what
Okay.
do you agree sir
I agree. I agree. I mean,
yes sir
with your philosophy, I agree. Only I was unable to understand how you are proceeding. So now I understand you directly tomorrow at 11 o'clock. You wish to talk with only the BBA students, say for example, one department
absolutely
at a
sir
time. Okay.
one department at a time then only we can handle unless what will happen it will be going to be mess up the things
Right, 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 right. Now I understand. I understand. Not a bad idea.
yes sir
Yeah, I
yes sir
agree.
sir I would like to be thank you so much for
Yeah,
coming this meeting arranging with us and
yeah,
welcome
yeah.
to the Photoshoto family for collaborating with us
My
and
thanks
one more thing
also.
sir sir one more thing we would like to be sending the one letter to you for the organization because we have found with the most of the mischiefs which will be done by the candidates in the previous our experience we would like to be submit a one letter to you that you have to be signed and you have to be reporters the reason is that कल के दिन अगर कोई भी कैंडिडेट मतलब बोला ना सर छोटी छोटी बातें होती है उनके पेरेंट्स हमारे साथ आर्ग्यूमेंट करते हैं कभी
हाँ.
टाइम ये हो चुका है to eliminate that thing we would like to be take a sign from the college we got permitted from the your college itself that's why we are doing an internship for your candidates
Okay, okay.
yes sir
मेरे एक साइन से हो जाएगा.
बिल्कुल सर आपके साइन से हो जाएगा because we want to be acknowledged to the college that we are taking because the meetings cannot be considered as a technical आपको तो पता है ना सर कल के दिन
हम्म.
कंपनी की मैटर होती है बोर्ड टीम अगर इन्वॉल्वमेंट हो गए तो वो बहुत बड़ा प्रॉब्लम होता है because the few candidates will be threatened us that if you are eliminating us we are going to be post you a bad reviews on the social media likewise that is the bad thing because they are having the wrong notions because they are having the capabilities we have to eliminate them आपने बोला था ना सर ये
No, yeah,
गलत
you
बंदा
have
घुस
what
है
you
तो
do is that you can also this is of course we'll do. That's not a problem. You can also take an undertaking from them.
absolutely sir fine
Once
thank you so
अगर
much sir
कोई कुछ बोला तो अंडरटेकिंग दिखा देना एकदम सीधा.
नहीं सर एक्चुअली ना we would like
Of
to be
course,
go
you people
through
know
with the
better. You are
professional way
handling. Yeah, you people know it
yes
better.
sir Absolutely. We would
हम
like to be
लोग
go
जैसे
through the
फॉर
process wise.
एग्जांपल व्हेन वी टेक स्टूडेंट्स आउट फॉर एन एक्सकर्शन वी हैव टू टेक इट सो एनी रिस्क कैन हैपन ऑन द वे एंड सो वी मेक देम डू एन अंडरटेकिंग दैट अगर कुछ हुआ इट्स नॉट द फॉल्ट ऑफ द कॉलेज
Absolutely.
अंडरटेकिंग
बिकॉज कल के दिन वो बोलते हैं कि सर आपको भी पूरा मैटर पता नहीं होता है, अगर उस चीज में हम फंस गए ना सर, कोई कैंडिडेट आता है किसी को, सर रिसेंटली आई वुड लाइक टू बी गिव यू वन इंस्टेंस, इट इज द लास्ट वन। एक कैंडिडेट एक सीनियर एचआरएम बन चुका था, वो क्या किया है कि बिना कुछ बोले बगैर दो टीएल को ना निकाल दिया। प्रॉब्लम छोटी सी थी कि उन्होंने उनको पॉइंट किया था, पर इसको किस बात का गुस्सा था ये तो पता नहीं, पर बिना कुछ पूछे उसको टर्मिनेट किया। Now who is the responsible?
ओके
Yeah, this kind of the misuse they will do. I know that I'm going through these all the things from the last 6 months. I know these all the things we have corrected. At the last point, we are taking this kind of the precautions. Right, sir?
राइट राइट सो वो लेटर दीजिएगा आई विल साइन इट
Absolutely. Ajmam? Yes, Ajmam?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please take care about this
या
part.
वो जो
Yeah, sure.
कैरियर काउंसलिंग या मेरे दूसरे मेल में भी आप भेज सकते हैं कोई भी
Absolutely, sir. We will provide.
संदीप को मत भेजिएगा बिकॉज संदीप इज नॉट अवेलेबल टुडे
Okay.
he's gone out on a personal problem so
It's okay, sir.
I'll take it so career counseling वो मेल में ही भेज दीजिएगा career
Bill.
placement
Yes,
Sure,
sir.
sir.
And
Sure,
you
sir.
can the email in the like PPT also. You can go through it also.
yes send me that ppt also I will go through it
Yeah. Yeah.
and वो
Okay, sir.
letter digitally sign करने I can sign it I can paste my digital
Absolutely, sir. That only we will follow that. And one more thing, sir. Now the era will be trending completely into the digital. We would like to be keep it everything digitally with the secured one and with the privacy and policy.
okay
Right, sir. Sir, thank you so much. If you don't mind, our meeting will be finished. You
sure,
may
sure.
leave, sir,
okay
because I would like to be talk to these people. Right?
okay sure thank you very much thank you very much
Thank you,
Thank you,
sir,
sir. Thank
for
you.
your valuable time.
thank you very much
Thank you, sir. It was nice talking to you.